This is the second video about learning test-driven development in Vue. I will be using VueJs dev tools, and I have installed it already. With this tool, I will be able to check the component hierarchy and get all information about the components, like the props or the state of the component. It is a very useful tool when developing Vue application. Next thing, I want to use ES6 in the test file. And to do that, I have to install a Babel dependency. Taking some time. Now this is done. I need to configure something in the package.json file. In the jest object, I would like to list some files to be used. The transform, I also want the JS file to be identified. So, with this dependency installed, I can now use import in the test file. So throw this one away. I don't need them anymore. So this one, I don't need it. I have to test it. Fire up my server. Then run the test to see if it's still working. Now it's still passing. Great. My plan for this video is to test a registration form, simulate a register page, and test for the inputs. First, I would like to install two dependencies which I will be needing, and that is the user event dependency, which simulates a user interacting with the page, and is just DOM dependency, which is just about the DOM tree in the browser. Let me go for it. They are now installed. Just for the case of digestion, I will continue in the next video. Please hit the like or subscribe button to support me. Regards.